Hey guys, wanna know how to use Ghibli AI by ChatGPT? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your favorite browser and type in ghibliart.ai. This will direct you to ChatGPT's official Ghibli Art website. Now, make sure you are signed in. After you're done with that, on the top right corner, you can see your profile. Just simply click on it. You can click on the dashboard or you can just select try for free. For now, I'll just go on the dashboard right here. Now as you can see right here, there are previews of Ghibli art as well. So you can slide the slider to see the previews, and now to use it, just simply upload an image right here. And once you've clicked and upload an image, you should see a prompt. Type in any prompt that you'd like. Or you could also try from these example prompts. And once you're done, just simply click on generate Ghibli image, and that will generate your Ghibli art, just simple as that. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.